Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Day after day.
We are picking up the anchor and sail back and forth in the Bay of Gibraltar. See if we still can sail after a long break and check and test our new autopilot. We catch some visitors coming to our anchor spot all the way from Gibraltar and have some fun time together.
Ain't that a shame, oh? Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Michael's getting the chain in. I have to flake it here. So I put everything on the port side because the hole is on the starboard side. It's the 20. The rest will fall in there. I have to close this up. Get the crates back. Back in place.
Anchor is on home.
So we're gonna try to sail off the anchor.
Reef sound.
Put the motor on just in case.
Get this out and then we're gonna tack back. Damn. 1.5. You ain't going fast, but we're sailing. Sure. Nice.
Yellow on the cup.
Yeah. Alright. You wanna hit the dot wind angle? There we go. Give me another 3 degrees port. It's the first time we've had the mainsail up since August. September.
Well, first sail of the year.
Ja. 2,3.
With the current with us. Stand by.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Steer for a compass course, but we're trying to see how the wind steering works. Our current wind's increasing, our speed's increasing. Now we're at 2 knots now over here. Put up the Bazan.
That's a half knot. Going through the anchorage with all the big ships. We're sailing.
Yeah, we are. Sailed back across the bay, sailed off anchor. That was nice. It's a beautiful day. not too much wind. I mean, we're sailing upwind and we still have an apparent wind of 10 knots and we're doing 2.5, so I guess we got about 7.5 knots of wind. So but we're doing all right. We don't even have the Genoa up.
No, just with a cutter fuck, because it's easier when we have to tack.
Yeah, it makes it easier when you're in this tight thing and you have to tack a lot. It's just easier then. Now he's picked up another knot.
Yep.
Makes a big difference. You put that up, that's the power.
It's just the tacking part is just shit.
Yeah, we just gotta attack early. That's all. Start with this one early. That's all there is to it, but we had to check it out. I mean, we're not in a rush today.
6 knots of wind.
2, 1.5.
2.5.
Wow, that's not bad. Got all the sails up, so we got the sail area. Guess we got a little current working with us too. It's probably just easier just to roll in the Genoa, attack with the storm fog.
Yeah, I would say just get it in. You've got a lot of markers over there too.
Alright, let's start pulling it in.
Back to 2.5.
Yeah, makes a big difference, that sail.
Yeah.
That like doubles the sail area. Yeah, I guess we probably should tack. We're getting close over to here.
Stand by.
Stand by.
One's going to Gibraltar. by that, the rock is gone. You see only the tip. Big clouds coming in. Fog. Yeah, also in the bay it's getting really foggy. Yeah, even in front of us it's getting foggy.
It's coming to
No,
us.
I don't see the top anymore.
Yeah, don't see the rock at all.
I see the moon.
Yeah. Rock, 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 Gibraltar is gone.
So Herman is up again. There's where we came from. I think you hear the foghorns. There were the boats in front of us. You cannot see them anymore.
Is that a man caddy or a woman caddy?
Woman caddy.
That's a woman caddy. Look at that goofy kid.
Hi! Hi kids! Hey, you made it! We're expecting you!
Yeah.
Now it stops. The love boat.
Yeah? Check it out.
The whole pot of bottles of the water. Oh my god. We're going again. Sorry, say that again.
Oh, Nathan is falling off.
Now, was that fun?
Yeah!
Of
You're
course.
coming out to be a great babysitter. Nice of you.
I've been called a lot of things in my life, young lady, but that wasn't one of them.
How you doing?
I'm putting on my wetsuit.
Going for a swim.
Yeah, you know, just take a look at the bottom. Just gonna take those off now.
If you watch the deeptometer.
Yeah, I got to the deep tomato. It just had some slime on it.
Okay. We had to move for the regatta race because we were anchored there. Michael's doing some shopping, getting the garbage away. I'm waiting by the boat because we don't know if you can park here the boat or not, so nobody's stealing the boat.
Leontine's fixing Herman's bra.
Yep.
Herman got a bra to go with his wedding dress. Don't tell us we're not a tolerant boat.
The wedding dress is just when we're sailing.
Yeah, you fixed his wedding dress yesterday.
This is the bikini. Let's call it the bikini.
The
instead
bikini?
of a bra. Yeah, it's normally when we're going swimming or when we're going to the beach. Or
Oh, okay.
She's got a bikini on.
Okay. Got a bikini and then she got a wedding dress when she's on deck.
Yeah, so I made a hole. Where is it? Where is it? I've got a lot of holes in here.
Yeah.
There it is. So we can put the line through here. That's
The
what I
painter,
did.
yeah. Where did we get
Sur ce bateau, c'est tout neuf. Il y a une centrale de navigation.
Yeah.
J'arrive pas
And once you live on a boat, you
savoir
just really
comment
don't
ça
care
marche.
anymore.
C'est tellement compliqué. Il y a plein de fonctions.
Il y a trop de
j'y
choses.
comprends rien, ça m'énerve. Et c'est compliqué.
Got some rain. Where
Over there in the back. There's one right here. There, they're kind of jumping.
Yeah.
There they are. They're right behind the boat. First dolphins of the year.
So we're sailing to the other side of the bay again.
Yeah.
We've got some wind gusts.
Yeah.
So we're making water. Sailing into the wind. Storm sail. And a reef sail. One reef. Just going easy. We're packing up. The pedals back on board. Michael's bringing him up to the bank. Getting the motor. It's kind of a gray day today. Plan is to leave tomorrow morning. While it's dry, get Herman on board.